Hello guys, you're welcome once again to the channel. We'll be continue from the previous lecture where we're discussing about some of the method we discussed on the push, the pop, on shift, and the shift array method. So in this um, video tutorial, we'll be talking about the array sort method. I have an array which I declare here on my code, and let me print that on my terminal. So this array can be likened to be the score of maybe a student in the class, or it's actually just an array of numbers, and they are currently not sorted. We have 2, 1, 99, 4, 5, 123, and the likes like that. The array sort method helps you to sort these listed arrays of number in ascending order or in descending order. Maybe you want to sort these arrays of numbers so you can know what's the lowest number there, what's the highest number. The array method helps you achieve that. Quickly, let me show that on my code. So I'll say my array dot sort and open close bracket. So this will help me to sort the array. By default, it will sort it in ascending order. So let me um, print that on my screen, and this we have it. So the number is being sorted in ascending order. But when you look closely on what we have on my screen, we notice the number 123 is coming before 99, and also we see 10 coming before 2. So the the array sort method with the empty bracket will sort the array um, with reference to the ASCII value the of the element you have in the array. So for you to get it being sorted properly, we know 10 is greater than 2, likewise 123 is greater than 99 and thereabout. We need to pass in a function within our array sort method. So we can have a function which is taking in two um, a function with two parameters. Um, in most cases, you can put in a or b or any name you want to give the function. So I have a function a and b. Um, I'm using an arrow function here, and then we want it to return a minus b. So let me quickly show that on my screen before I explain what this function is doing. So now when I print it, I have my array being sorted properly. We have I have 2 coming before 10, and I have number 123 coming before 99. So quickly, let me explain what this function is doing and what this function is all about. So what we're trying to say, what we're trying to tell this array to do is that the array should take in 2 elements, which is usually the first and the preceding element in the array. So the array is trying to do a comparison between both of them, and in this case, the array is taking in number 1 and number 2. So the array will compare between 1 or 2 if if the first item is greater than the item succeeding it, then it will keep the first item and the next item will remain where it is. But if it is the opposite, maybe in this case we have 1 and 2, so the array will kind of switch the position of those 2 elements it's picking. So 1 will come here and 2 will come, and that is how the algorithm continues down to the last element of the array. Now, if we want it to be in reversible order, maybe we want 123 to come first, and 99, and let it keep decreasing like that. All what we need to do is we need to put in the b should come first. We say b minus a. So in this case, what we're trying to say is, okay, compare the first pick any 2 elements in the array, compare them. The greater should come first, and the smallest should come next, because um, b minus a, it will look for the truthy between the two items be compared. So b minus a, that means the b must be greater than a for us to have a truthy value over there, and this will give us the printed copy of the array in reversible order. So let me console log that on my screen so we see that. So this is the output of us printing the array in descending order. We see 123 coming first, 99 and thereabout. And if you want it in ascending order, all what you need to say is you say a minus b. So I will give it a pause here and we'll continue in a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching and bye.